Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create Azure functions. Click on create resources, search for functions. Click on functions and click on create. So I'm going to choose the existing group which I've created for earlier video, and now I will give a unique name. Okay, so I'm going to publish a code on the Docker container, and I used to choose the .NET Core as the run stack, and version is 3.1 and region is Central US. Click on view and create. So if you see the details, this is the subscription ID and the resource group, the name, and .NET Core 3.1 run stack. And so this will create a storage account, and the plan is consumption plan, and the name is Azure Pass Developer Group PAD, and Windows operating system. This can be deployed in Linux as well, since it is in .NET Core, and region is Central US, and SQL is dynamic, and application has been enabled, application insight has been enabled, and the monitoring application inside name function app colon, and again it is deployed in Central US. Click on create. So the deployment script is running in the background to create the Azure Functions app. So it is in progress. As you can see here. Wait for some moment. So the respective resource is getting created and it is getting displayed over here eventually. The Azure functions, the inside component, and the server form, and the inside component, and it is getting deployed. The deployment is over. Now click on go to resources. Okay, on the left hand side menu you can see your functions. Click on the function. Give me some moment, the add button will get enabled. Click on the add. So there are different types of functions you can create over here. These are the templates. Basically there are Httptrigger, timer trigger, Azure queue storage, Azure service bus queue, Azure service bus topic trigger, Azure block storage trigger, Azure event hub trigger, Azure Cosmo DB trigger, IoT hub, send grid, Azure event grid trigger, durable function HTTP starter, durable function activity, durable function orchestrator, and signal R negotiate HTTP trigger. So we'll see one by one on in a separate video. As of now, we will choose HTTP trigger. Since it is for beginners, I will let you know like how to create a function and how to make use of the HTTP trigger. So let it be a new function name, and click on create function. The authorization, let it be a function. Click on create function. So the function has been created successfully. So click on code plus test. Since it is an .NET code, you can see the .NET code over here. So this is basically an HTTP a request where a user can make use of the URL in order to do some functionality within this piece of code. Okay, so let me run the test run. This is the post method. So this is the parameter sending via body. Click on run. If you see the output over here, so it has got connected. So the output is hello Azure. This is Httptrigger executed successfully. Okay, so they are trying to get the query parameter of name and trying to make use of that within the response message. Okay, so we will try to test this in the browser or in the any other utility which try to get this HTTP URL. So we'll make use of the HTTP Postman. So click on new, enter the URL, and click on the body, click on draw, and we can copy paste this, try paste it here and try something else just to notify. Okay, so we have created an Azure function Httptrigger, and so if you click on send activity, and this will hit the Azure functions, and that will return the success message. Hello Nanda, just over there. Okay, so this piece of code is appended over here and the whole message will get displayed. So this is a simple Azure function. In forthcoming videos you will see each function template types. So this is for beginners. Since it is for beginners, this will be helpful for you. Thanks a lot for the support.